Doctor.
Master.
I like it when you use my name.
You chose it. Psychiatrist field day.
As you chose yours, the woman who makes people better. How sanctimonious is that?
So, Prime Minister then?
I know. It's good, isn't it?
Who are those creatures? Because there's no such thing as the Toclafane. It's a made-up thing. Like the boogeyman.
Do you remember all those fairy tales about the Toclafane from when we were kids back home? Where is it, Doctor?
Gone.
How can Gallifrey be gone?
It burnt.
And the Time Lords?
Dead. And the Daleks, more or less. What happened to you?
The Time Lords only resurrected me because they knew I'd be the perfect warrior for a Time War. I was there when the Dalek Emperor took control of the Cruciform. And I saw it. And I ran. I ran so far. And I made myself human so that they would never find me. Because I was so scared.
I know.
All of them, but not you, which must mean...
I was the only one who could end it. And I tried. I tried everything.
How did it feel to almighty civilizations burning? Tell me. What does that feel like?
Stop it.
You must have been like God.
And I've been alone ever since. But not anymore, don't you see? All we have is each other.
Are you asking me out on a date?
You can stop this right now. We can leave this planet. We can fight across constellations if that's what you want, but not on Earth.
It's too late.
Why do you say that?
Can't you hear it? The drumming. Thought it would stop, but it never stops. Inside my head, Doctor. A constant drumming.
I could help you. Please, let me help.
It's everywhere. Listen, listen, listen. Here come the drums. Here come the drums.